what you need to find. So what is the question? 2 raised to 73 minus 2 raised to 72 minus 2 raised to 71, right? You just take 2 raised to 71 out, so you'll get in bracket 2 raised to 2 minus 1. So this is nothing but 2 raised to 7 into 4 minus 2 minus 1. So this will get cancelled out and 2 raised to 71. So here in this question, sum of reciprocal is given as 5 by 12. That means what? The two numbers must have their LCM as 12. Okay. So we understood that LCM is equal to 12. Also one more condition which we already know is sum of that numbers is 10, right? So only two numbers will satisfy this condition, that is 6 and 4. So the largest of that number will be 6. See, in this question, the logic is the last digit that you get by multiplying the unit digits will be same as that of the one which you get by multiplying the tens digit, right? So among this, which number satisfy the condition? 13 and 62, right? So you are getting the same. So answer for this question is B. Now in this question, the logic is x plus y is equal to, you add that x plus y, then minus 18. So that's what you can understand from the first, second and all. So here 10 plus 18 is equal to 10 plus 18 you do first, you will get 28. Then minus 18 you will get 10. Okay, in this question, if you see, she is counting the thumb on 1, 9, 17, 25, etc, etc, etc. Now you see here, if you see this, you are going to get an AP, right? AP with a common difference of 8 and the first term is 1. So common difference of 8 and the first term is 1. So you get a difference of 8 here, right? Now what is asked? So what they are asking is, 1994 which finger, right? 1994 will be which finger, right? So close to 1994, which number will belongs to this series, you need to understand. Okay, you need to see which number belongs to this series. Let's suppose you are getting a number which is close to 1994, then answer is solved, right? See, if it is, you are getting something like 1991 belongs to this series. What does it mean? 1991 is a thumb, then you will go for index, then you will go for middle finger, then you will go for ring finger. So then it will be ring finger, right? So I am trying to find out n in this series. So I will get where she is counting the thumb, which is close to 1994. Now how will you find it? What is this? How will you get it? See, all these numbers, if you see, all are multiples of 8 plus 1, right? This is multiple of 8 plus 1. 1 is a remainder. That means when you divide all the numbers by 8, remainder is 1. This is something called as constant remainder theorem, which we have already discussed, right? So now by applying this, how can you find the number? You see the multiple of 8 less than 2000 or close to 1994. What is the multiple of 8, right? You can either divide 1994 by 8, or you can divide 2000 by 8 also. So if you divide 1994 by 8, you get remainder 2. You get remainder 2. What does it mean? 1994 when you divide by 8, you get a remainder 2 means 1992 is a multiple of 8. As a multiple of 8. But what are the numbers in the series? Multiple of 8 plus 1. So what will be the number in the series, last number, which is close to 1994? 1993. That means 1993, I am counting the thumb. So 1994 will be which finger? 1994 will be which finger? Index finger, right? So what I have done, see, what I have done is nothing but, I understood that, you know, this is an AP, right? I am just taking the thumb, right? 1725 is an AP with a common difference 8. So I am looking for close number. The closest number to 194, which will come in the series, right? Now, what is the relation of the numbers in the series? All are multiples of 8 plus 1. So, I am trying to find a number closest to 1994, which is a multiple of 8 plus 1. How to get the multiple of 8 which is close to 1994? Divide by 8. See the remainder. If you see the remainder and you subtract the remainder, you will get the multiple of 8. So 1992 is a multiple of 8. But what are the numbers here? Multiple of 8 plus 1. So I understood that this number is 1993. So 1993 I am counting the thumb. So 1994 will be index finger. What is given in this question? 3 even numbers, so we will take it as x minus 2, right? 3 consecutive even numbers, x minus 2, x and x plus 2. 3 consecutive numbers means we will take x minus 1, x plus 1. Consecutive even numbers means x minus 2, x and x plus 2, right? Now what they are saying, 3 times the first digit, 3 times the first digit, that is x minus 2, exceeds the 2 times of the third digit by 2, right? So I can write it in this way, 3 times of x minus 2 minus 2, you will get 2 times of x plus 2, right? What does it mean? 3 times of this number exceed 2 to this number, right? So if you subtract 2 from 3 times of this number, you will get the last number. So this is how you will represent, and if you solve it, you will get x is equal to 12. What do you need to find out? You need to find out the second number. In my assumption, my second number is x plus 2, right? X you got as 12, so x plus 2 means 14. So 14 is the third number, right? What do you need to find out? The third number. This is the first number, this is the first number, second number, third number, right? Now what does this mean? 14 is the third number, 12 was the second number, 10 was the first number. Now if you want, you can check also. 3 times 10, that is 30. 2 times 14, that is 28. What is the condition given? 3 times of this number exceed 2 times of this number by 2, right? So 2 is the difference, the condition satisfied. You don't want to check it and all during exam, you can do it later after the exam, but this is how you need to solve, right? What you did is you just assume that the 3 numbers are x minus 2, x and x plus 2, because it is even number. If it is odd number, x minus 1, x and x plus 1, right? Now you just satisfy the condition. 3 into x minus 2 minus 2 will give you 2 into x plus 2. Solving x, you will get 12. And in my assumption, the third number is x plus 2, right? So 12 plus 2, which is equal to 14.